What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this new addition job, and as you can tell, we are moving right along here. The guys have been here for the past couple days while I was out doing other stuff, but we got all the framing in, all the roofs are done. We have a little bit of cleanup to do with these windows. I mentioned that in a previous video. Both of these need to be either slid out or raised up and smaller, but that's no big deal. We kind of knew that was going to happen. Anyway, moving around here, all the framing's in the attic. Staircase opening is in right there, right in this little hallway here. So in a previous video I mentioned that the door was here, but it's actually back here. So the way this is working is you come up the stairs here, you have the master doorway here. This is a closet in the master. Walk into the master bedroom, and then you have the bathroom over here. On the other side, on the front, you'll come down this little hallway here, and you have another little closet here, and then this is an office in the front corner here. So that is the reason there's only one bathroom up here. The other bedrooms are downstairs and they have their own bathroom down there as well. But we have balcony out of the back of the master. We are starting to get window tape everywhere. We are getting our windows and our back patio door here. Well, balcony door, I guess, but they call it a patio door. And we're starting to get them up here in the right places. We also are finishing up an eyebrow roof here that extends off of the front roof all the way across here. The guys are almost done with it, but they're just finishing up coffee and breakfast right now, and once we are done we'll get back to work. We'll get all these windows up here, start getting them thrown in, and we also have an eyebrow roof that's coming off right here going down this whole side that we have to do. So I want to show you this roof real quick because I don't think I've shown this roof detail that we did here, but obviously all the shingles are done, ridge vent caps, everything, but we have this nice roof detail on here that's all done. I'll climb up here real quick. Coming up here, this is all shingled as well. So roof wise, we're all wrapped up, and we have all of our windows laying on the ground down there.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we got all these windows in. One there, double unit over here. And then we got these two windows, another double and a single here. These went in nice and easy. It's just a matter of getting them out and sliding them back in. But now we're getting this last pressure treated beam on here for the balcony. And it is not light, so we got all hands on deck to get this in here. You want to flip it? Felipe. Where's Felipe? Very good. There you go. Very good. All right, guys. So we got that last beam on the balcony. They're just getting everything screwed off there, exactly where it needs to be. The other guys are getting the last couple pieces of plywood on. We got to come around this side and get a couple pieces on over here. We have a sheathing inspection tomorrow, so that all has to get done, but we're in pretty good shape here. The other guys are out here working on this roof detail here for the front. It's a similar detail to what we have up there on the second floor, and this whole eyebrow roof here is completely done. We had a slight issue with this front section. The old house is not exactly square, so obviously when you look down it, you want it to look perfect. And with the front of the house being out of square and the back of the house being perfectly square, it makes that soffit area a little tricky to tie in together, but that's why you might be able to see it. We have a string line there, and the front had to get extended a tiny bit just to make it all look right. But besides that, all the windows are in, and this whole side is pretty much done. So we're in pretty good shape here. I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. The guys will be here tomorrow. I think me and Rodrigo are working on plow trucks tomorrow. We have a bunch of plow trucks that we need to get put away and clean up our shop. So that is where we'll be. But if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.